So now we are currently in a castle doing a tour. Say hello.
Hello, hi.
On a tour that no one is really listening to, but yeah. Just did a tour at the Chateau de Joux, which is in France, near, like in the Bourgogne region. Now I think we're gonna drive back to the Airbnb and then we'll see what we do next. Where do I go? So this is the apartment. There are so many rooms. So we just got to the Airbnb. There are like so many rooms and it's a bit funny because it's like bunk beds. Reminds me of the rooms that we have when we go on like school field trips. So we reached the Airbnb, we settled down. Now we're just gonna go for a walk before dinner. So we just went to the Grande Saline of Salins-des-Bains. It's a salt extraction place, and we did a tour. We learned about the history, and it was nice.
It was nice.
And now everyone's hungry and grumpy, so we're gonna go for lunch. We are now in a small village called Doubs. There's like no one here, but I think we're just gonna walk around a bit. It's supposed to be really nice here, and maybe stop by for some tea and then go back to the Airbnb.
Yeah, you're not looking.
No, I want that.
Children, stop fighting.
Hey, the skin is the best part, man. 2, 3. Because you're not straight. Your arm is like this. Not you, it's not you can do.
Instant noodles. No.
Hey, I was after. Hey.
Hey.
Oh! Good rib. It was me. Son. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Stop moving! You're shaking me!
Can you not be so?
Right hand up, not wrong hand.
Wow, you're gonna be like that in the video. Hello, hello. So this morning we went climbing, and then in the afternoon we went for a hike. We just had dinner. Now we're just walking by the lake, and yeah.
He knew what he was doing.
You can hit the table.
So that is it for this weekend and this video. This is the last day. It's like 9:25. Just packing, getting ready, and then we'll drive 3 hours back home. And then this afternoon I have a train back to North. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah, see you in the next one.